Okay, good morning, everybody. The market's already open. We're about 7 or 8 minutes in. I am waiting for this first trade to set up. However, right now the market is moving faster than what my charts are showing. So you'll see the numbers are going to be slightly off. But as soon as we get a higher high here, I will be putting in an order.
Order submitted.
So there's my order, and you can see that I should have already been. See how I got filled, but it says it's at 9.99. It's kind of off. The charts are moving independent of the actual dome. This is NinjaTrader, and I'm trading NQ futures. So I have a break even that sets up after 3.5 points of profit, and I try to exit with 5 points, which I got my 5 point exit on that trade. This is the next trade about to set up. I'm going to be looking to go short. We're in a sideways trend, so I'm going to short on this breakdown. Right there would be my entry. So if it turns around and breaks down, I'm going to be putting in an order to go short.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So I put my order in, got filled right away, let it trade. I have it set for 5 points of profit. My break even will come on after 3.5 points of profit. So there's my break even.
Stop filled.
Unfortunately, I got taken out with my break even because 5 points just didn't get there. And you can see it's probably a pretty good thing because it started to go back against me. Here's the next trade setup. We have resistance at the 15,030 level. I'm going to be looking to go short in a breakdown of that level. I got my stochastic crossing over to the downside. My indicators are showing me selling.
Order submitted.
Put my order in, and I'm short. Again, my break even will come in after 3.5 points of profit.
Stop filled.
And from the sound of that, I got taken out with my break even once again. Even though you can see this is a fast forward edited version, that was a heck of a short. But we're going to be looking to go long down here. But I want to wait for the stochastic at the bottom to cross to the upside. It's a beautiful setup if that thing was crossed up. So I'm going to wait to enter when it crosses.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So I'm a little early on the entry. It did not cross just yet. Really like to have that cross, even though that was a decent trade. Made a higher high and probably would have paid if I'd have gotten in on the first run up. But you can see I'm back 7 points here. I really try to catch the momentum when I'm going long or short in that same direction, so I don't have to go for a ride in the wrong direction like we are exactly here, which is why I really try to wait for that stochastic to cross. So we'll just be a little patient and see how this thing trades. We're still getting indicators telling us, it wants to go up. Again, that stochastic still has not crossed up to the upside. And at some point, this might be a great trade, but it's taken a little long to develop. So I'm just going to take it off for a small profit
Target
and then
sold.
reset and get myself going for the next setup. Okay, so here's the next setup,
Order
similar to
submitted.
that one,
Order filled.
except for you see I got in a little early and made the higher high, but the stochastic didn't cross up to the upside. So this is a little after 8 a.m. already. I am on West Coast time. I started trading at 8:30. Sorry, I said 8:30, 6:30. So we've only been trading for about an hour and a half at this point. This trade is going against me because I did not wait for that stochastic to cross. I got in early. This is why I don't like to go in early. You can see I'm 10 points back. 10 points with two contracts of the NQs, a $400 drawdown. So I'm not stressed about it, but I also don't like what's happening here. So we're just going to wait for the bounce and see where it goes. It starts to look promising here. In another 20 seconds, another bar will come on, and if it makes a higher high, it would be actually a great trade. You can see I'm trying to take 4 points of profit on this. I'm just trying to make a daily goal, people. So this would actually be great if it was to keep going. It does not. It pulls back yet again. So this trade took 7 minutes, I believe. So I actually edited it down. You can see I added a bunch of bars here. So I just sat and waited until it actually made its move to back to my entry or above. So you can see I grabbed my stop and moved it up so I could just put it in. That way, if it keeps going up to the upside, I make money. If it just pulls back, I did not want to go for another ride. Regardless of whether this thing keeps going up after it pulled back, I don't know that that's going to do that. I just don't want to go for another ride and be into the trade longer. So I closed it for a small profit, put me at my $500 for the day. It's still only a little after 8 o'clock, and I can go do whatever I want for the rest of the day because from here on out, I am done trading. Thanks for watching.